Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Ford Fiesta here on a 2015 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this. It is quite a simple procedure and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Right, before resetting it, now to check the tyre pressure and the tyre size, so you see what you've got on the car, here are the sizes. So you check individual tyres, see what you've got. Then the pressures are right here as well. So if you've got 14, 15, 16, so you got all the pressures right there, and then you got pressure here as well with full load, and then full load, and then no load at all. Now that's the tyre pressure menu. Now to do it, let's go. Right here, this is basically the car. So if you've got something like this with that kind of steering wheel, that's the tyre pressure warning light on right there, and you want to know how to reset it, and I'll get it done for you within seconds. Now all you got to do is press the menu button right there. Now if you look on the top, so you've got the Ford Eco, sync, settings. What you do with the arrow button right here, you press down till you get to vehicle settings. Once you get to vehicle settings, you press the OK button. Then you go down to tyre pressure. You then need to do is hold the OK button. So press OK once and then hold the OK. You can see that tyre pressure monitor system is reset now. You press OK again, then you press the main menu button, and now you can see right there, that's gone. The light is gone off now. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. It is a Ford Fiesta 2015 plate. We do have a playlist for Ford as well if you want to do like the rear stop lamp and stuff like that. So we've got quite a few of the Ford Fiestas. Now pretty much on all the Ford models, Focuses, Fiestas, Mondeos, Galaxies, and whatnot, you can do it through the steering wheel. It's just right here. You'll have buttons, OK buttons and everything, so you do it through there. But in this case, with this particular model, you got to do it through here. That's all then for this model. If there is anything you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.